Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the LED TV model and current firmware so you download compatible app updates. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Use 5 GHz for speed and stability when available. Make sure you have enough free storage. Delete unused apps if needed. Next, sign into the TV's App Store or manufacturer account so you can access updates and permissions. This first step prevents mismatches and repeated failures, and it primes the TV. You now navigate to the TV's App Store, find the target app, and tap Update. That triggers the download. While the file downloads, monitor progress in the store and do not switch inputs or run heavy background tasks on the TV because power or resource drops can corrupt the install. When the package is ready, accept any permission requests. These allow features to run correctly. After installation, the app may reindex data. Allow a minute for first launch optimizations so the app performs as expected. You complete the process by launching the updated app and testing key functions, playback, login, and settings, so you confirm success. If the app is sluggish or crashes, reboot the TV first. That often clears temporary conflicts. Make sure to clear the app cache or data from the settings if problems persist, because stale data can break new versions. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app or revert to a previous version if supported. This resolves compatibility issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.